Hey guys, this is Anthony Romar, and in this video, we're going to just add a little bit of details to this sofa, and it's sort of a way to help you enhance your solid surface or hard surface modeling techniques. So I'm going to start out by beveling this entire top. So to do that, I'm going to right click, I'm going to go to edge, and I'm going to shift select as many edges as it'll let me, and anything that else that it won't let me select, I'll just hold the shift key and grab it, or double click. And so I've selected these edges right here. And, what I want to do is I basically want to just add a bevel. So I'm just going to go to Edit Mesh and Bevel, and it's going to give me some options. And, I want to kind of have a somewhat smooth result. So let's change the fraction size. Let's just make this fraction size a little smaller. And if we add more segments, it's going to give it that rounder look. But I don't want to add too many. I don't want to go crazy, right? So I'm thinking three segments, maybe 4 segments. That's pretty good. Okay. And perfect. And then we need to just check our result as we zoom in to see, has this given us n-gons, for example? And it looks like it hasn't. We've already done sort of the hard work of making sure that that's cleaned up, right? So, man, that went a little bit easier than I expected. I was expecting a little bit of trouble there, right? So, but now I'm going to do these front sections here, right? So I'm shift selecting this front section, and I'm going to hit G to repeat it. And we should get some triangles or n-gons. Triangles are okay. They're not great, but n-gons are not good, right? So we probably have to do a little bit of cleanup. So let's just raise our fraction a little bit. Let's change this to 0.6 so we get a little more. And then segments, right? So we'll pull and add a few segments if it'll let us. And you know what? It's not letting me. So let me just manually type like a 3. Great. Okay. And you can see that's given me some triangles. It did give me an n-gon, right? There's an n-gon right there. So we need to fix that. We can fix that with the multi-cut tool. Okay, so it's going to go to the multi-cut tool. Select this first, and then I'm going to select this top one right here. That's going to give us a quad here and a triangle right there, which, again, triangle's not perfect. We're going to have one on the other side. So I'm going to zoom out just a little bit, hit the Q key, just select one of these closer faces and hit F so I can zoom in. Right, and you can see I've got a couple n-gons, so I'm going to hit the Y key and that multi-cut tool, right, and hit Y to repeat again, and the multi-cut tool. I can hit Y because I've already used the multi-cut tool one time. Okay, so not going to lie, that's giving us some pretty hideous geometry, right? So I'm going to right click. I'm going to go to vertex mode and hit the move tool, just sort of clean this a little bit. I'm going to hold that V key to sort of snap in between, right, these verts. So you can see, bulls and sometimes we get ugly results when we make these sort of decisions, but we can always do a little cleanup. The problem with triangles that we have, you guys, is that not that they're bad, it's just that they create a difficulty edge looping, right? So I'm just going to select these. They seem to be sticking out quite a bit, right? So I'm going to double click, and we're going to try the move tool. We're going to try from object mode to component mode. And yeah, I think that's what I want. So what we'll do is just sort of soften that little grouping right there, okay? And I probably want to consider re-topoing this, but it's a topic that, we'll teach you a little later as you progress in the program. But now I'm going to go back to object mode and hold that V key and just sort of straighten that out. This is just a bit of an ugly mess, right? Looking at it going, not sure what I can or should do about it. And that's okay, right? Sometimes it takes a minute to think things through, but it's not terrible. We'll leave it for now. Let's see if we have any other cleanup we have to do. So we'll select these verts, hit the F key to zoom in. It looks like there's no n-gons there. Okay, and then let's check this bottom point. Select that, zoom in and out. There's triangles there, which again aren't great. We'd rather have quads, but if we're not going to get quads, then at least it's not n-gons. So, and I think it's cleaned up, good enough. So right click, go to object mode, and then of course let's just run some routines to make this right. So we're going to say, delete by type, history, and then we'll modify and freeze transformations. And then, of course, we should name this, right? So for top, it's already named. And, maybe mesh cleanup, run a cleanup on there, see if there's anything we need to do. And I think that's a decent start to the base. Then we're going to add some cushions on here in the next video.